YouTube. Hey, look, I know I'm looking rough, bro, but I'm looking rough because I literally just got off work, but I was mad excited. I ain't take no shower, no none yet, because I'm about to get to work, bro. As you see, she came, nigga. That's tough. Pressure. Hey, look, I ain't about to waste no time. I ain't even gonna lie to tell you. I'm ready. I got the Z Taser in the house updating on my laptop. So I'm gonna walk y'all through the process of putting the double bypass. That's the double bypass, the Z Taser box in there. I'm gonna show y'all the steps how to install the double bypass. So basically what the Z Taser do is it just pretty much unlock features that you normally don't have, like SRT pages, light show. You can get different screensavers. It's a lot you can do on the Z Taser. So, I think I spent like $300 for I think the Z Taser was like $250. The double bypass was like $50. Excuse the beard, like I said, I just got off work. My car a little dirty because I work on a construction site. If y'all ever thought about getting into safety, just know y'all got a lot. I got a lot of paperwork. Don't get me wrong, I love my job, but man, it can get a little challenging on my paperwork sometimes. All right, look. So first, you want to pretty much, let me give y'all a different angle. So first, you pretty much want to take this panel out. So what you're gonna do is, got some Velcro back there. You're gonna lift the Velcro up. I'm about to go do that now. Lift the Velcro up. Boom. Then you wanna go inside the car. Let me get my keys. You wanna go inside the car. That's my work stuff. And it's a little pull tab. I'm gonna pull the tab, bring the seat back. Boom. So basically, because the area you want to get to is right here. So basically, you just want to pull that out. Look how dirty my car is from the construction site. You just pretty much want to pull this out. Damn, I hate that. This is a nice solid piece of thing right there too. Dodge did their thing about the quality on there. It's like carbon fiber, or like not carbon fiber. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I can't remember the words. So basically it's a box. That box right there is what you want to get. I'm sorry, bad view. Basically that box right there is what you want to get to. Get my tools. So basically, oh, I forgot to show y'all. All right, so where's my specialty tool? I gotta find that. Hold on. I'll be back. So like I've been telling y'all in all the videos, this tool is going to be your best friend. You might as well just go get one. If you're gonna work on your car, you might as well go get one. So y'all probably can't see, but what you need to do to take out is this right here. Easy little pop out. Should be anyway. Yep. Popped it out. Boom. Just want to pull us back. And this is the box you want to really get to. You just got these little clips. All right, so it basically comes in the box. It's gonna have this end. It's gonna have this end too. You just throw them two over there. It's gonna have a fuse. You put that with them. You're gonna take this. It has a green side. The green side goes to the green plugs, and then the white side right here will go on this side. So basically, you just find the open one, which is, it can be a little difficult to put them in because it's such a tight squeeze. That one was fairly easy. And the white one, you just plug the white one. I might can do it with one hand. If not, I'll do it off camera and just show y'all. Just literally find a random hole. Find a random hole. Yeah, I'm gonna do it off camera. You just gotta plug it in. Boom, super easy when you got two hands. So once them two plugged in, you're gonna go to the other side, wrap around. So first you wanna take this in. This is the fuse. You wanna pop the fuse box open, which is, I think I can do this with one hand. Probably not, nope. Just pop the fuse box off. I'll pick y'all back up when I do that. All right, we back. So basically you're gonna look for the radio fuse box, and it is F37. So F37 is 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. So it's the third one, the second on the third row. So let me see, hoping. So that's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. It'll be this 20 right here. So you got to pull out this 20 fuse, put that 20 fuse. Put that 20 fuse in here. You zoom back out. Put that 20 fuse in here. Then you're gonna plug this whole thing right there. So I'm about to do that real quick. I don't want to break my fuses, so I'll show you after. So once you pull the fuse, you're gonna plug it back in like this. Boom. So that's secured. The next, you're gonna take this in. You're gonna splice them two together. Make sure the plastic is fully covering them, and I'm gonna put some electrical tape on after I secure that. Then you're gonna take this right here. My fault. You're gonna take this right here, and you're gonna ground it to this. That's all you're gonna do. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So boom, ski. Got the ground. Got the focus. Got the fuse. Got the 2 connector right there, and you got it running. This way you're gonna connect the Z Taser at. So I'm about to go in the house and see if the Z Taser is done updating. Here's the updating software. I ain't gonna lie, it take a good little minute for the update, but yeah, you'll Google the Z Taser automotive. You go to their website, and you'll download a link or a zip folder or whatever. It's pretty self-explanatory when you see it, so it's not really hard to download it. But this is the Z Taser. Yeah. All right, so boom, we back outside. All you gotta do is plug the taser in. Let me plug it in real quick. Hold on. Y'all know how to plug it in for real. Just plug it in. I'm gonna get some command strips and strap it to the side right here. So boom, before I strap it in and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up. Not crank it up, but try to marry it. All right, so basically I did it. And this is gonna take a while to kind of boot up and everything. See, it's all not loading, but I do have it. Oh shit. Like all my apps and stuff not loading. Like my performance page is not up here. The Uconnect gonna take a minute to kind of upgrade since you pulled the fuse. But I mean, you see it say track up there. When I click it to sport, it's gonna say sport up there, and see like these buttons down here don't even work right now, and it will do that. You just gotta let the Uconnect boot up and stuff. So this, that's just something. I'm not the only person that had a problem like that. So don't panic when like half of my apps didn't even pop up. I only got 1-page apps. I don't even have the performance pages right now. So you just gotta let that boot up. In order to navigate this, you'll hit this, and then you'll hit cancel. And to navigate it is you'll hit this, you will hold this, and this is how you go down on the menu. If you want to click OK, you will hold this and click that to select it. I'm not gonna really go through that because there's plenty of videos on YouTube about it. I'm not gonna do a drive because I want my stuff to boot up first. So I'm gonna let my car get time to, I guess, rework the fuse so my stuff can kind of come back together. But yeah, that's basically how you install it. I have a drive. Yeah, see a lot of stuff. Maybe, let me see. Maybe my mirror, where it go? Oh, my mirrors and stuff not even up here. And yeah, it's a lot of stuff that my menu is missing. So don't panic if that happens. Just be patient with it. Let the car do what it do. We're gonna go driving in the future. I just want my car to fully boot up, get all my pages and stuff right. So I appreciate y'all. Hit that like, subscribe, leave in the comments what I should do next. We're gonna go on a drive soon once I work out all these kinks and stuff with the Uconnect. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I got some fire content coming in the future. Hold on, let me see if it got the to run access menu. I think that's gonna pop up with the SRT. Yeah, like I'm about to change that. I ain't really mean to put that, but I would just. And this comes up with the Bumblebee with the Scat Pack. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. But we'll see. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Oh, one more thing. Yeah, that pops up too. Service airbag system. I don't know how to get rid of that. I'll figure it out later. But I don't think if I run the diagnosis code, I don't think it pops up. So, I'm not sure. It's just a random message. Like, I don't know how to clear the messages. I might can do it through the Z Taser or something. Yeah, I don't know how to clear that. So, that's going to be another problem. Yeah. All right, so technically, this is not the next day, but this would technically be the same thing you will see the next day. I just ain't record because the next day I was going to work. So, as you see, got a few extra pages. I think it's usually 8. Then we got a speed warning and diagnostics. You see that service airbag, that's gonna stay on. You notice I ain't got my seatbelt on and you don't hear the ding. Thank you, Tazer. And for over here, all my SRT stuff has finally loaded. It just took that overnight. Like, I recorded that video at night. The next morning when I came back out here, everything was working perfectly. But the only thing is, like, and I'm gonna mess with the Taser a little bit more, but I go to sport and that takes a little bit to kind of switch over. All right, let me do all right, so when I go to you see it, it's a steering sport, but the transmission is always sport. Oops. The transmission is always sport, which is, I don't really know the reason for that. I don't know if as a RT I can't get it, but I feel like it's a difference when I put it in track. I feel the transmission difference. The track kind of pull way harder than the sports mode, and this would be technically all street auto. I don't really do too much on auto, but yeah, auto, it automatically does what it wants. But yeah, that's basically, in my performance pages, I already had it because my addition of the RT. But at first it didn't pop up when I first inserted the Taser. But now the performance is back. The performance pages are back, and they're all up and running as normal. You know. Oh, look at the times though. 0 to 60. Oh no, this ain't the right page I want to see. Oh. No, this ain't the. Is that backwards? Oh yeah. 0 to 60, 5.5 seconds on the dot. 0 to 100, 12 seconds. I never really did break distance before. I ain't gonna lie. But my quarter mile, 13.5. I guess 1/8, 8.8. You know, some slight, nothing crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much, you know, what you will get And when I crank up the car, it do give me the Scat Pack logo, so I want to switch that. And when I turn off the car, it does the let me see if I can show y'all. All right, so it get the little Scat Pack thing, and let me see it when I crank it up. See, it give me the Scat Pack logo. And usually when I turn it off, hold on, I gotta open the door then. There goes the SRT logo. Which is, I do want to change them out because I have no a Scat or SRT. But I don't know if I could change out the SRT one. I don't think so. But yeah, it'll just pop up like this. Boom. Everything there. Boom. And when I crank up my car, it automatically goes into service airbag. It automatically goes in track mode because that's how I got it set. So that's basically the end of the video. The next video I do will probably be some driving, you know, some POV. Go crazy, show y'all how the performance is and stuff. So that's basically all I wanted to cover, you know. Shout out Pedal Commander, respectfully. But my car coming along, man. I'm enjoying the build. I'm enjoying every step of the way. Like, I'm enjoying it.